Hello and welcome to another CTRE Moodle tips and tricks presentation. Today we're going to focus quickly on how to use a single view in your Moodle gradebook for grade item assessment. Okay, we're in our test course, and what we're going to do here is go over to your menu. You want to scroll down until you get to your course administration, and we're going to go right into the Moodle gradebook setup. Okay, after the screen refreshes, what you're going to be greeted with is your gradebook setup screen. And what you want to do is make sure to choose the view option. And once the view option is available, you'll be able to see the single view. We want to make sure that we're selecting single view. And from the item menu drop down here, you're going to be greeted with two options. You can select whatever grade item you want to grade, or you can choose to grade your items or your assignments based on a specific student. So what we're going to do is we're going to focus on selecting a grade item. So let's do essay on social distancing. Okay. And the next thing what you're going to do, you're going to be greeted with a list of all of your students, and the grade box where you're going to enter the grade and the feedback are first. They're not accessible. So what you want to do, you want to click on none. I'm sorry, override all right here. And what that's going to do, it's going to actually put a check mark in each one of the boxes next to each student. And then it's going to allow you to enter the grade based on the grade range for that particular assignment. In this case, the essay on social distancing is worth 100 points. So let's go ahead and this is grade a few students. We're going to give 95, and this is just a test or an example to show you what it would look like. We've already graded Jerry Robinson, and we're going to give this student a 94. Okay? And you can also enter feedback. Great essay. Wright, I'm sorry, Dr. Wright is a good scientist. Just an example. Okay, once you enter in all of your grades and any feedback that you want, go ahead and click on perform. No, you don't want to check that. What you want to do is click on save. All right. They're going to give you a confirmation, Moodle will, that all 6 grade items have been saved. All right. It's going to give you a recalculating grade screen because you're adding to the grade book, and then you're going to click on continue. And when you scroll back down, all of the feedback and the students' grades have been saved. This is a very quick and effective way to enter grades in a streamlined form. It keeps things in order. And this is specifically for assignments that are not tied to the Moodle course page, but it's actually, these are like grade items or offline assignments. Thank you, and I hope that this video helped.